Hi, are you a Silva Method graduate and you're wondering about this lifetime guarantee? Well, stick around because that is what this video is about. Hi, my name is ERIKA Morales and I'm a certified Silva Method instructor, and I have around 40 years experience using the Silva Method tools and techniques. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more. So what is this lifetime guarantee? Jose Silva recognized and realized that repetition is key. Whenever you're learning something new, it's so very important for you to repeat the information to help to integrate it into your life, to learn more of it, to get more insights, integrate it in your daily life, right? So he decided that he was going to implement this lifetime guarantee. What is the lifetime guarantee? The lifetime guarantee means that you're never going to have to pay the full price ever again. So you pay once and you don't have to pay the full price again. So this is huge. It's important to understand. There are many courses out there nowadays that you can take the class, and let's say it's $2,000. You take the course, and then if you want to review it again in a year or another year, you have to pay the full fee again, not with the Silva Method. As long as you have your certificate. You got to hold on to that certificate because that's your ticket into reviewing the course for a nominal seat charge. So that is so very important to understand, that you will never pay the full fee again. There is something to talk about here, which is if you took the course before 2007, so 2007 or before, and if your certificate says Basic Lecture Series, that is the original course that Jose Silva made. And that means you're ready for an upgrade, right? In 2007, Jose Silva's daughter, Laura, decided to upgrade the Basic Lecture Series with information that Jose Silva had been working on towards the end of his life. So there's more tools and techniques, there's more guided meditations in there. So there is a fee to upgrade, which has nothing to do with the life guarantee. The lifetime guarantee means you don't have to pay the full fee again, right? So when you upgrade, you're not paying for the full fee of the Silva Life Intuition System seminar. That's what the new course is called. The Basic Lecture Series isn't taught in the United States anymore. It's the Silva Life and Intuition System seminar. So when you upgrade, you're just paying a small fee just to get those new courses, those new tools and techniques. And that's a small fee that you pay as well. And remember, you're able to review as long as you have that certificate. You can review as many times as you'd like for a nominal seat charge with any certified Silva Method instructor in the United States. And that's huge. Like, you never have to pay that full fee ever again. So I do have a course coming up soon. So please check the comment section below. Click the link there and that'll take you to my my website. And on my website, I have there on several pages when my next seminar is and all the details around that. So I hope to see you in one of my Silva Life and Intuition System seminars soon. Thank you.